you ever noticed those small fibers on corn cobs? We usually throw them away when we eat corn, ignoring their medicinal properties. Recent studies show that corn silk tea can be healthier than corn itself. Did you know that? This part of the corn is used in many parts of the world to treat different diseases and health issues. Corn silk has anti-inflammatory properties that help clean the urinary tract and fights colds and mucus. It is also highly recommended for people who suffer from kidney and bladder diseases. Corn silk also helps with rheumatic diseases caused by toxin buildup, since it eliminates toxins through the urine. It is great to alleviate kidney pain, eliminate fluid buildup, and improve liver health. This is all because corn silk is a natural diuretic. It positively contributes to preventing and treating many health problems that result in fluid buildup in the body. Corn silk tea can reduce kidney pain, improve renal function, and avoid the development of kidney stones. Corn silk has strong anti-inflammatory action for urinary tract infections. Its anti-inflammatory properties are excellent for treating rheumatic diseases, arthritis, and gout. Drinking this tea also lowers high blood pressure, regulates cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and facilitates blood clotting. If your overweight is caused by fluid retention, corn silk tea can help you. Even though you now know all the benefits of corn silk, you must still be thinking that eating it doesn't seem very enticing. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. The best thing is to use corn silk to make tea. See how to make it. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon dried corn silk. Choose organic corn. 1 cup water. Leave the corn silk soaking in the water for a few minutes. After that, strain. If you don't like the taste, add a few drops of lemon juice. If you want to make a bigger batch, use 0.9 ounces around 1½ tablespoons of corn silk for every 34 ounces of water. Drink the tea throughout the day. Besides tea, corn silk can be found as a supplement with a recommended dose of 400 to 450 milligrams, taken 2 to 3 times a day. However, before taking it as a supplement, talk to a phytotherapist to learn the correct dose for you. Do not stop the conventional treatment prescribed by the doctor. According to studies, corn silk is a safe medicinal plant with fewer side effects. However, people with prostate inflammation should consume it with care, since it increases the urinary frequency, which may cause discomfort. Pregnant and nursing women should also avoid corn silk, as it alters the oxytocin levels, the hormone responsible for, among other things, uterine contractions. People who take medication for lowering blood pressure, anticoagulants, diuretics, and diabetes medication need to talk to a doctor before using corn silk. If you try it, share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.